a handy helper. The original BMW Seat-Back Storage Pocket is a true organization talent for your items. Position the BMW Seat-Back Storage Pocket on the back of the front seat. Put the strap around the headrest and close the quick release. Take the two hooks on the bottom of the pocket, pull them down and hook them in under the front seat. The tension ensures a perfect fit on the backrest for this clever transport solution. Your kids will love it. Use the storage pocket for bottles, snacks, or colouring books and crayons. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.